What's the best phone number?
And 925 9.
So they don't have inventory just for Emeryville and so on and so forth. We all go out at the same time. Come on, baby.
So just to make everyone feel really comfortable, both our sales staff and the customers, we've installed sneeze guards in all our showrooms.
The amount of guards that we're making is phenomenal. Thousands and thousands of guards are being made, and we cannot keep up with demand. Of course, everybody wants them to open, and we can't make them fast enough.
This is our pre-made COVID-19 barrier that we've been selling 3,000 of so far. This is a pass-through for everything, and also these come off so it ships flat.
We have more than enough business to hire more people. My crew is complaining they're tired because, I mean, it's non-stop all day long.
This one's taller. This bigger.
But it's a worldwide shortage on material right now because this demand is worldwide.
Everyone who walks in the door could have, may have COVID-19, and I don't want anyone to get sick.
But it's had enough for good stability. They don't tip over very easily. I'm trying to tip it over and it doesn't. We had no idea that the sneeze guards / partitions would become such a big part of our business. And what's been happening is it's been harder and harder to get material. And that's been the huge challenge. And then 4